Okay, so I'm going to show you today how to make this bracelet. Okay, this one is done with a Cordmaker and there are 5 petals on it, and you can see I finished it off there with some ends that are plaited. There are 2 versions of this, and I'm going to start off with the version that you use with a single hook. This particular flower has been made with a Cordmaker, so we'll come on to that in a moment. Put that one down. Starting off then with an ordinary hook. This is an ordinary latch hook that I used to teach with, and I've made a chain length, and it's 50 chains long, so you need quite a long chain to make this flower. So we're going to pick up some petals along here. Pick up a loop and it makes a petal. I'm not counting them, I'm just more or less doing them the same size. Let's see if we can get that in the camera. And so now I've got 1, 2, 3. Got 3 petals on there now. So we've got another 2. 1, 2. And I've got a bit of length there to finish off the bracelet. So when you yarn over now, you've got to make sure, look at the other side, that this yarn here doesn't get caught up in the petals. It should go next to your busy finger is here, and that's coming round the back and through the latch at the front, and then all those petals have to be pulled through like that, and so you've got one loop on the hook and all your petals are on there. Just give it a little pull and yarn over again, and then you're going to need to do the rest of your bracelet. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There, so we've got a bracelet there. Now we can see how this has developed into a nice flower here to make your flower bracelet. So there's the flower, and then you're going to trim the yarn off so you've got enough to make an end to tie. Pull this off to finish off like that, and there is your 5 petal bracelet. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at doing this one with the cord and the Cordmaker. So it's very similar, but this time we've got the cord. So we're going to use this. This is the Cordmaker that I'm using, and it's got two hooks on it. Okay, so we'll use this pink. I'm going to start off, I'll leave an end, and I'm going to start off at this end with a slip knot. And your busy finger is going to control that loop on the hook, just the same as it would with a single latch. So we're going to yarn over, pull this over the end. The other one will stay where, the other loop will stay where it is. Bring it back, just give it a little pull, and then yarn over again. See, I'm using this finger to control the hook, the loop on the hook, and then pull this through. And carry on like that until you've got a chain length of about 50 again. And it's going to be quite long. And this is going to take some time, so I'm just going to come away from the video and come back when I finish the chain length. Okay, so here's my cord length, and I've done 70 cord chains there, and it's quite long. Right, so now I'm going to pick up some petals. So I'm going to hook in through the cord there and pick up a petal, right, and again, and again, and again, and again. See how many I've got now. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5, and I've got a little length there for the rest of the bracelet. So now what we have to do is to yarn over and pull through all these loops on the hook. Okay, so we're going to yarn over there, pull them all over like that. I think if you get used to doing this with just a couple of petals to start with, and then you get the idea of how this is to finish off. Got one more there, no, didn't quite make it, and that one comes off as well. So you've now got 2 loops on the hook, and then you carry on with your chain, with your cord length. You carry on with your cord length there to finish off the bracelet at the other side. So I'll do that now, and it just wants to be about the same length as the other side. Just checking to see if this is in the camera. I'm quite a contortionist doing this because I'm behind the iPad in front of the camera. I find this probably the easiest way of doing this. A little bit longer maybe. Okay, there. Now to finish off here, what you're going to do is to pull this loop at the front a little bit bigger here, the one at the front. Take it off and put it at the other side with the other one, like that. So you've got 2 now loops on the other side, there. And then yarn over and pull through both of them. And then you can finish that off with 1 single loop there, stitch there, and then cut the yarn off a similar length to the other side, and then just pull it up like we would normally do if you've watched these videos before. And then let's have a look at that flower that we've made. There. Okay. I've got 5 petals on it. And that will make a nice bracelet like the other one. And here on the other one I've added an extra white 2 lengths just added on to the end here. Perhaps I'll show you how to do that. Now you're going to need 3 lengths of yarn at this side to do the plaiting. So you need to just hook this in at the end, put your yarn on the end of the hook there and pull it through there, and you need just 1 length coming through, so just pull this up like that, holding on to the other end, so that comes through, so it's like that. They need to be the same length there, and now you've got your 3 lengths that you need to plait the end with, and then you can make it like this one with the plait. And do that and show you. So that's got 3 lengths there that are plaited together, not on the end. Okay, And that's your bracelet. 2 bracelets, in fact. Okay, well done. Don't forget to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and press the notification bell, and press like. And then if you want to ask me any questions, do ask me questions, because I like comments and I will reply to it. Okay, bye for now.